Yo, I just wanted to do a hair update. I just got up, so don't mind me, but I'm doing FreeForms now. We've converted our life. I'm a new person now. I'm not the same. I'm a Rasta. I was born Rasta, really. It was always in my blood. Now, I'm old enough to follow the liberty of being connected with yourself and not giving a fuck about what anybody else or what people think past that. So here my hair. Trying to have the best locks ever. By the time I'm 25. I spoke to God. I got a lot on my plate. I got a lot to accomplish. And my hair is just gonna come with me. My hair gonna come with me the whole way. I'm gonna show some pictures. But yeah, here's my hair. I'm living good. I failed my semen retention, but I'm not gonna do that shit again. Of course, it was my girl. You already know these girls be catching these bodies, bro. But I gave it to her, though. I ain't gonna lie, though. But I let her give it to me. That's the problem. It's alright, though. I just been very peaceful the last couple of days. I had a very profound spiritual experience. Shit was crazy. I'm crying in the bathroom and everything, and I don't even be crying, bro. But I'm sitting here just listening to music, and the music is just reminding me of, it's putting me back in a time where I used to be. I'm like, damn, I remember I was raised by a single mom, so it was just certain songs that I heard, and I just remember back when it was me and my mom, like back when it was just me and my mom, we ain't had nobody, and we was listening to this song, and she used to like this song. And it was very crazy. It was very crazy. I was listening to Bob Marley all yesterday. Happy birthday to great Bob Marley. And man, I don't even know if people are ready to hear that statement. So I'm just really just here to just do my part. But back to the wigs, the locks. See, I was using rubber bands on them and stuff, but it's FreeForm from here on out. I'm not doing no rubber bands, no none of that, no nothing. I'm just gonna wash my shit and let my shit go. And that's that. It's gonna be my crown, my mane. I love lions. I wanna move back to Africa. I wanna take all my family. And like anybody that just wanna move to Africa. And move to Africa, like I cried because I seen myself in the future, and I just cried looking at myself. I was that majestic. I had long, fat, beautiful locks beautiful island. I had people from all over coming to this island and dancing and drinking, food, smoking, having a good time, good vibes, beautiful scenery. And then like, I was just the grand host of that. It was everybody come to my island. I had this beautiful island in Africa. It was just amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it was very amazing. I cried seeing myself like that. If you could see your future like I just seen my future. And I don't know, it's just no way I could just live wrong now. You know, it's just, it's crazy. But this is my hair though. I know I'm probably, I don't know if I am saying nothing or not, but I just know this is what we rocking with now. This is what we doing. This is where we going. This is where we gonna end up. Starting now. That's really it, man. That's really it. I got a lot to say, but it's just gonna have to be said when the time is right. The time just don't feel right now, but shit, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out here, yo.